Welcome to the enchanting world of Japan, a land where ancient traditions seamlessly intertwine with cutting-edge modernity. As we embark on this exciting journey, prepare to be captivated by a country that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and innovation. From the serene temples of Kyoto to the bustling streets of Tokyo, Japan is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Imagine wandering through the tranquil gardens of a centuries-old shrine, where the whispers of history echo in the rustling leaves. Then, just a short train ride away, you find yourself amidst the neon lights and vibrant energy of a city that never sleeps. This juxtaposition of old and new is what makes Japan so fascinating and inviting. Throughout our adventure, we'll explore the intricate art of sushi making, witness the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom, and immerse ourselves in the rich traditions of tea ceremonies. We'll also dive into the world of anime and technology, where innovation knows no bounds. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Japan has something for everyone. Get ready to uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this country a must-visit destination. Buckle up, because this journey through Japan is going to be nothing short of extraordinary. Have you ever wondered why Japan is often referred to as the land of the rising sun? This captivating nickname not only reflects the country's geographical position, but also symbolizes its rich cultural heritage and the dawn of new beginnings. As you ponder this question, consider how Japan's history has shaped its identity, from ancient Shinto beliefs to the modern-day embrace of technology. Now, here's a surprising fact that might just blow your mind. Japan is home to over 6,800 islands, with only about 430 of them inhabited. This archipelago offers a stunning variety of landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of Hokkaido to the tropical beaches of Okinawa. Each island has its own unique culture, traditions, and culinary delights, making Japan a diverse tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. As you reflect on these intriguing aspects of Japan, think about your own travel experiences. What unique cultural elements have you encountered in your journeys? How have they shaped your understanding of the world? Japan invites you to dive deep into its fascinating history and vibrant culture, encouraging you to discover the stories behind its breathtaking scenery and warm hospitality. So, are you ready to embark on an adventure that will not only broaden your horizons, but also ignite your curiosity about this remarkable nation? Then, when you think of Japan, two cities that immediately come to mind are Tokyo and Kyoto, each offering a distinct experience that showcases the country's incredible diversity. In Tokyo, the vibrant atmosphere is palpable. Picture yourself standing at Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian intersections in the world, where hundreds of people cross in every direction, creating a mesmerizing dance of urban life. Just a short distance away, the iconic Tokyo Tower rises majestically against the skyline, reminiscent of the Eiffel Tower but uniquely Japanese. From its observation deck, you can soak in breathtaking panoramic views of this bustling metropolis where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. In contrast, Kyoto invites you to step into a world of serene beauty and tranquility. Here you'll find Kinkaku-ji, the golden pavilion, shimmering in its reflective pond, surrounded by meticulously manicured gardens that evoke a sense of peace. Another must-visit is the Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of vibrant red torii gates that wind through the lush forest, creating a stunning pathway that feels almost otherworldly. This juxtaposition between the bustling city life of Tokyo and the tranquil temples of Kyoto highlights Japan's unique charm. Whether you're navigating the energetic streets of Tokyo or finding solace in Kyoto's historic sites, each landmark tells a story that enriches your understanding of this remarkable country. Prepare to be inspired by the contrasts that make Japan truly unforgettable. While Japan is renowned for its iconic landmarks, there are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered that offer unique and unforgettable experiences. One such treasure is Naoshima Island, a small island in the Seto Inland Sea known for its stunning contemporary art installations and museums. Here you can wander through the picturesque landscapes dotted with works by renowned artists like Yayoi Kusama and Tadao Ando. The island's blend of art and nature creates a serene atmosphere that invites reflection and inspiration, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Another hidden gem is the Oki Islands, an archipelago that remains largely untouched by mass tourism. With their rugged coastlines, lush forests and rich cultural heritage, the Oki Islands offer a glimpse into traditional Japanese life. Visitors can explore ancient shrines, hike scenic trails and even participate in local festivals that celebrate the island's unique customs. The warm hospitality of the locals adds to the charm, making you feel like you've stepped back in time. These off-the-beaten-path locations not only showcase Japan's natural beauty, but also provide opportunities for authentic cultural experiences. As you plan your travels, consider seeking out these hidden gems. They promise to enrich your journey and create lasting memories that go beyond the typical tourist experience. Embrace the adventure of discovering Japan's lesser-known wonders, and you'll find that the true essence of the country lies in its hidden corners. Japan is a treasure trove of rich cultural experiences that invite you to immerse yourself in its vibrant traditions. One of the most cherished practices is the tea ceremony known as chanoyu. This intricate ritual goes beyond simply drinking tea. It embodies harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Participating in a tea ceremony allows you to appreciate the artistry involved in preparing matcha, while also providing a moment of mindfulness in a fast-paced world. Another iconic cultural experience is witnessing sumo wrestling, Japan's national sport. Attending a sumo match offers a unique glimpse into this ancient tradition, where athletes engage in a powerful display of strength and skill. The atmosphere is electric, filled with the cheers of fans and the ceremonial rituals that precede each bout. It's an experience that connects you to Japan's history and its deep-rooted customs. Japan is also famous for its vibrant festivals, each celebrating different aspects of its culture. Hanami, or cherry blossom viewing, is a beloved springtime tradition where people gather under blooming sakura trees to appreciate their fleeting beauty. The Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, held every July, showcases stunning floats and traditional performances, drawing visitors from around the world. As you explore Japan, don't miss the chance to engage with these cultural experiences. They offer a deeper understanding of the country's heritage and a chance to connect with its people. Embrace the opportunity to participate, learn, and celebrate the rich tapestry of Japanese culture that awaits you. Japan is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, where iconic landscapes captivate the senses and inspire awe. One of the most recognizable symbols of Japan is Mount Fuji, standing majestically at 3,776 meters. This perfectly symmetrical volcano is not only a stunning sight, but also a sacred symbol deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Whether viewed from the shores of Lake Kawaguchi or framed by cherry blossoms in full bloom, Mount Fuji offers a picture-perfect backdrop that embodies the essence of Japan's natural splendor. As spring arrives, the country transforms into a sea of delicate pink and white as cherry blossoms or sakura blanket parks and streets. Hanami, the tradition of cherry blossom viewing, draws locals and tourists alike to celebrate the fleeting beauty of these blossoms, creating a magical atmosphere filled with laughter and joy. Beyond these iconic sights, Japan boasts diverse scenery that ranges from rugged coastlines to serene mountainous regions. The Noto Peninsula offers stunning coastal views with its dramatic cliffs and tranquil beaches, while the Japanese Alps provide breathtaking hiking trails and picturesque vistas. Each region showcases its own unique charm, inviting exploration and appreciation of nature's artistry. In Japan, the harmony between nature and urban life is palpable. Skyscrapers coexist with lush parks, and traditional gardens are nestled amidst bustling cities. This balance encourages viewers to appreciate the beauty of both the natural world and the vibrant urban landscapes, making Japan a truly enchanting destination for nature lovers and city explorers alike. Japan is a culinary paradise that tempts the taste buds with its diverse and delectable offerings. At the heart of Japanese cuisine are iconic dishes like sushi, ramen, and okonomiyaki. Sushi, with its delicate slices of fresh fish atop perfectly seasoned rice, is a must-try for any food lover. Whether you enjoy it at a high-end sushi bar or from a local conveyor belt restaurant, each bite is a celebration of flavor and artistry. Ramen, on the other hand, is a comforting bowl of noodles served in rich, savory broth, with countless regional variations to explore. From the creamy tonkotsu of Fukuoka to the soy-based shoyu of Tokyo, each bowl tells a story of its origin. Don't overlook okonomiyaki, a savory pancake filled with a variety of ingredients from cabbage to seafood and topped with a tangy sauce. This dish is not only delicious, but also a fun experience, as you can cook it yourself on a hot griddle at many restaurants. For a truly unique dining experience, venture into an izakaya, a casual Japanese pub where you can enjoy a variety of small plates and drinks in a lively atmosphere. Street food markets are another treasure trove of flavors, offering everything from takoyaki, octopus balls, to yakitori, grilled chicken skewers. Japan's food culture is a delightful adventure waiting to be explored. So come hungry and ready to indulge in the rich tapestry of flavors that this incredible country has to offer. As we wrap up our journey through Japan, it's clear that this remarkable country offers a captivating blend of ancient traditions and modern wonders. From the serene beauty of Kyoto's temples to the vibrant energy of Tokyo's streets, Japan invites you to explore its rich cultural tapestry. We've highlighted iconic landmarks like Mount Fuji and the bustling Shibuya crossing, but we've also uncovered hidden gems such as Naoshima Island and the Oki Islands, reminding us that the true essence of Japan lies in both its celebrated sites and its lesser-known treasures. Exploring Japan means immersing yourself in its diverse landscapes, indulging in its delicious cuisine, and experiencing the warmth of its people. Whether you're participating in a traditional tea ceremony or savoring street food at a local market, each moment offers a unique insight into the heart of Japanese culture. We hope this journey has inspired you to embark on your own adventure in Japan. There's so much more to discover, and we encourage you to seek out both the iconic and the hidden as you plan your travels. If you enjoyed this exploration of Japan, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us bring you more exciting travel content and guides to destinations around the world. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see where our next adventure takes us.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.